Hello and welcome to our newest listing in Kyalami Hills Estate, where it's in central Kyalami, close to all the amenities. Today we are here to do our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 97 square meters apartment. Let's start the tour. As you enter, we're going to start with our beautiful kitchen. Quite big kitchen, open plan. You have your gas stove over here. It comes with your single door fridge, your wash and dryer, and then you also have space for your washing machine. So you can see we have a massive window which brings in all the natural light, so you do get quite nice lighting in this area. And then as you enter this side, this is our living area. As you can see, it's quite big, quite spacious, so you can literally fit a nice corner couch, or the setup as it is works perfectly. And then this side,
and it does have access to a balcony, which we'll have a look at now.
Definitely, we'll just have a look at the balcony afterwards. See, as you can come through the side, we have a young corridor, and then we are going to start with our main bedroom this side. It's also quite big. It comes with an ensuite bathroom, which we'll see just now. Ample cupboard space. This is quite a lot that you get this side. You can fit a nice double bed or even a queen size bed. It also has access to the balcony on the other side.
And she even has a study, the current tenant even has a study table in there. And there's still enough space. Nice.
And then this is our ensuite bathroom with a shower. And then we are going to go right through to our second bedroom. This is also quite spacious. Also has ample light coming in from the windows. You have your cupboard space this side. Also fits a nice double bed. You can also squeeze in a queen size. As you can see, you still have a space on both sides. And then our main bathroom, which is a full bathroom, which you can also use as a guest bathroom. It's also quite spacious and beautiful.
And it services bedroom too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go and have a look at the balcony.
Yes, now we can have a look at the huge balcony this side. This is our spacious balcony, which also, like I said, the main bedroom also has access to it. As you can see, it's quite spacious. You can also just fit a young 4-seater dining table this side, since we don't have it inside. So when you open the sliding door, it will just be open plan. So like I said, this is our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 97 square meters, and we are on the last level, the 3rd level. You also get 2 carports. Sorry, I didn't mention that. You also get 2 carports. So I hope you guys can come through and have a look at our newest listing, and hoping to sell this one for you guys.